There's this assumption that everybody's better than me at grain marketing. That's not the case. This workshop is going to help improve anyone's skills to the basic level and then beyond.
Welcome to the Basics of Grain Marketing workshop.
My name is Bruce Clevenger. I'm with Ohio State University Extension. I'm a field specialist in farm management.
My name is Seung-Kil Lee. I'm an assistant professor of agricultural economics in the Department of Agricultural, Environmental, and Development Economics at The Ohio State University. I do research on commodity markets, supply chain issues, and production technologies from an economic perspective. My focus typically centers around corn, soybean, and wheat for my research and outreach.
We have additional subject matter experts coming in for the workshop. So one of the interesting parts of the workshop will be an industry panel. We have invited in some of our pros in the industry to talk about the how-to of grain marketing. And we had great support from our commodity organizations, the Ohio Soybean Council and the Ohio Corn and Wheat.
Grain marketing is a bit of a mysterious task. It is relatively easy when prices are high or rising, but it becomes very challenging when market is declining or having a high volatility or even sometimes global uncertainty.
So some of the questions that our students and farmers will have really relate to what's the market telling me to do? When should I lock in a price? What market information out there is just noise? And what do I do pre-harvest and maybe post-harvest?
This workshop will help answer many of these questions and help students develop a grain marketing plan that has action strategies back on the farm. One of the reasons that I am very into grain marketing is it reflects my family memories. My father is still running a family farm in South Korea and is relatively small, and sometimes this marketing is one of the key parts to make the farm profitable. The underlying purpose of this workshop is to equip students with various marketing tools so that they can capture more profitable opportunities around the market. We are asking enrolled students of the workshop to complete an online learning module on calculating the cost of grain production per a bushel basis.
Farmers are going to need to know their own cost of production, and that's the value of that pre-workshop assignment.
We want you to document the business performance during the past few years.
And grain marketing, in many people's mind, is risky. Is it the right price? Is it the right time? Doing the risk assessment is going to help the student understand their own tolerance and what level of risk that they are comfortable with. And to me, the workshop is designed to be more than just a 2-day workshop. With the pre-workshop assignments and the assessment of risk, plus the 2 days sitting in the room and being in a group of cohorts of those that are also wanting to learn the basics of grain marketing, and then also developing a peer-to-peer group after the workshop is over to extend that learning.
It's going to be a long time plan that you can actually rely on, so we are going to provide all the resources that you can utilize even after the workshop.
We're looking forward to having you in the Basics of Grain Marketing workshop. Looking at registrations, I know that you'll be in a room with other folks of similar interests that have excitement and interest in learning about grain marketing skills.